This message has been transmitted at the request of Scotland Police Department. An entity has been identified as Red Entity A-60, the MultiMonster. It has 6 faces on there, and his ambience looks creepy. There are missing 10 peoples. Do not go outside. A-60 is super fast to lick, and it might kill you. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. This message has been transmitted at the request of Scotland Police Department. A-60 killed 2 children on the streets. The kid has been identified as a 10-year-old Brand. He has red shirt, blue jeans, black shoes, green eyes, and brown hair. And the kid has been identified as a 9-year-old Lucas. He has green jeans, red shoes. He was last seen wearing a PlayStation pajamas, blue eyes, and brown hair. If you see A-60, the MultiMonster, or any of dead bodies, call 911. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. This message has been transmitted at the request of Scotland Police Department. A-60 begins to duplicate himself that just looks like him, such as X-60, XX-60, A-100, E-60, B-60, and many more, and they're going to invade us. If you see any of these entities, run away from them, and hide as fast you can. It is also the other entities are going to kill us, such as A-200, A-120, A-350, and B-22. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. This message has been transmitted at the request of Scotland Police Department. A-60, his entities, and the other entities have been the United Kingdom. Everybody in the United Kingdom must seek underground shelter. In addition, Southwest is the only survivor state in the UK from A-60, the MultiMonster. The doomed states are Scotland, East Midlands, London, South East, and Northern Ireland. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation develops. This message has been transmitted at the request of Scotland Police Department. A-60, his entities, and the other entities have fully invaded the Earth. The most invaded countries are the United Kingdom, Ireland, Spain, Portugal, France, Brazil, Argentina, Peru, Chile, United States, Canada, Mexico, Greenland, Finland, Ukraine, Russia, Panama, Australia, and New Zealand. There is no way to stop these entities. May God bless everybody on Earth.